Clouded forests are all over the world in many places. Clouded rainforest is a tropical place in the mountains where there's rain and moisture to keep the environment cool. There are many animals that live in this unique environment. Jaguars have a bright spot pattern on their fur. It looks like a big, round, black circle with small dots within the black circle. They are very big cats who have great swimming skills. The color their fur comes in is tan or orange. The countries where jaguars are found is in southern North America. And they live in rain and clouded forests. Jaguars roar to communicate, and they are nocturnal, nighttime animals and are excellent climbers and weigh up to 350 pounds. Blue morpho butterflies live in native countries of South and Central America clouded forests. Blue morpho butterflies have a head, thorax, stomach with 6 legs. And they also have 2 antennas on top of their head. They have long tongues to suck out the nectar of flowers. The blue morpho butterfly lives in the canopies of trees in the lower forest ground. They are very big butterflies that come in colors blue with black on the edge of their wings. They use their antennas to smell and touch things. More great cats are small cats from South and Central America. Mongrel cats like to live alone, and they are nocturnal nighttime animals. They have similar black spots like the jaguar. Mongrel cats are great tree climbers. Their fur is tan or yellow mixed with brown. They live in clouded forests and also deciduous forests. Clouded leopards are great swimmers. They are medium-sized cats who use their tails as a fifth limb to balance when traveling. Clouded leopards also use their tails like monkeys to to hang on to branches to have a proper balance. Their native habitat is in Asia. The crowded leopard spots are large patterns of gray along with black and white stripes with tan fur. Tapirs are similar noses like elephants and use their noses like elephants to get food. Tapirs are medium-sized animals belonging to the animal group mammals. Their cousins are the rhino and horse. Tapirs have hoofs like horses. The tapir's diet consists of grass and leaves that are on the ground. The native habitat is in southern and Central America and Asia. The color of their skin on tapirs is black, white, gray, or tan. Some come in stripes. They live in the clouded forest and tropical forests.